Samba to Go helps you to make simple adjustments of your audio processor settings, as predefined by your audiologist or healthcare professional. To adjust the volume, press the upper or lower volume button once to change the volume step by step. Alternatively, press and hold the button until the desired volume is reached. To mute the microphones, press the upper and lower volume buttons together for approximately 2 seconds. To unmute, press both buttons again. To change program, press the multifunction button. Repeat until the desired program is reached. Please note, this function is not available while audio streaming with Samba to Go.